shine shop. Welcome, greetings everyone to Miss Dolly's tongue twister. It's so good to have you back. The last tongue twister got me all tongue twisted. My goodness, but I love the S's. So today we are going to do some more S's. You're in for a treat. Now, we're going to talk about Susie. Where is Susie? Susie is in a shoe shine shop. What is Susie doing in a shoe shine shop? She is shining shoes, of course. So let me just simply tell you, Susie works in a shoe shine shop. Where she shines, she sits. Where she sits, she shines. Oh my goodness, it's so difficult. Let's try it once. Susie works in a shoe shine shop. Where she shines, she sits. Where she sits, she shines. Oh my goodness, I really got tongue-tied. Now, I'm sure you can do better than me. Good luck.